Dear kids, today we will learn basic English action words that will help you to speak English in daily conversation. So let's start. Our first word is run. Run. Run means दौड़ना, basically fast walking. Our second word is eat. Eat. Eat means खाना. Eat means खाना. Our third word is drink. Drink. There are two types of drink. One is noun and the one I am telling you, that's the verb. Drink. Our fourth word is sing. Sing. Sing is a verb. Sing means गाना. गाना. Our fifth word is cry. Cry. Cry means रोना. Cry means रोना. Our sixth word is handshake. Handshake. Handshake means हाथ मिलाना. हाथ मिलाना. That's a bit lengthy words for you. Our seventh word is talk. Talk is an easy word. Talk means बोलना. Talk means बोलना. Our eighth word is fight. Fight. Fight means लड़ना. Fight means लड़ना. Dear kids, you should not fight. So our ninth word is clap. Clap. Clap means तालियां. Like that. 10th word is hug. Hug means गले मिलना. Hug means गले मिलना. Now I am repeating all the words with correct pronunciation. So our first word is run. Run. Second word is eat. Eat. Third word is drink. Our fourth word is sing. Sing. Our fifth word is cry. Cry. Sixth word is handshake. Handshake. Seventh word is talk. Talk. Eighth word is fight. Fight. Ninth word is clap. Clap. 10th word is hug. Hug. Our next word is sleep. Sleep. Sleep means sona. Sleep means sona. Our next word is cut. Cut. Cut means काटना. Our next word is listen. Listen. Listen means सुनना. Listen means सुनना. Our next word is laugh. Laugh. Laugh means हंसना. Our next word is smile. Smile. Smile means मुस्कुराना. Smile means मुस्कुराना. Our 16th word is throw. Throw. Throw means फेंकना. Throw means फेंकना. Push. Push. Push means धकेलना. Push means धकेलना. Next word is jump. Jump. Jump means कूदना. kudna. Jump means kudna. Next word is swing. Swing. Swing means ghumana. Swing means ghumana. Next word is stomp. Stomp is like that. When we do our foot like that, that's called stomping. I am repeating the words one more time with correct pronunciation. Sleep, cut, listen, laugh, smile, throw, push, jump, swing, stomp.